Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all we have to open the settings and then let's scroll down and find additional settings. Here in the very first position we've got date and time, so let's tap on it. And as you can see we are using network provided time and time zone. If you want to set it manually, just tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see date and time are active, so we can freely tap on it and easily change it by swiping. Let's click on OK, and the same situation with the time, just like you want. Okay, and as you can see it also immediately appears. What's more, you can do it with the time zone also. So tap on the switcher to turn it off, tap on the select time zone, choose the region and choose the time zone. As you can see it is also immediately applied. Now we can set the time format. Let's click on it. Now it is automatically set it based on system language, but we can set either 24-hour time format or 12-hour format. Let me pick for example 24-hour format, and as you can see it is also immediately applied. What's more, we have the dual clock option. Now it is on. To turn it off, just tap on the switcher. And we've got we can set the second clock, and we can choose the region from which we want to see the time. For example this. Let's get it back, and this is it. If you want to get back to all previous settings, then simply tap on the switcher right here to use automatic time zone, and click on the automatic date and time to use network provided time. So that's all. This is how to change date and time in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.